Well, the Michigan Supreme Court has ruled the indictments in the Flint water crisis are invalid, and this could mean criminal charges against former Michigan Governor Rick Snyder and 6 others could soon be dropped. Families in Flint still dealing with the effects of the water crisis. In April of 2014, Flint leaders switched the city's water source to the Flint River. State regulators said the water didn't need to be treated. That decision proving to be disastrous. Lead from the pipes running through the city's water system for more than a year. A statement tonight from the Solicitor General says they will take steps to keep the cases alive for justice. 7 Action News reporter Jim Kurtzner has been on this from the beginning, joining us live now to break it all down. Jim, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Glenda. Here is the ruling from the Michigan Supreme Court that spells out the problems with this, that Attorney General Dana Nessel used the system to get her charges by going to a one-man grand jury, a judge up in Flint, to get the indictments. But then some of the people charged wanted a Flint judge to order a preliminary exam, and that didn't happen. So all of this goes back to that Flint judge. We were set to do a Zoom interview this afternoon with Attorney General Dana Nessel. She canceled at the last minute.
I think it's a big bombshell from the standpoint of the suffering of the people of Flint.
7 people were charged by the Attorney General in the Flint water crisis, including 2 in the state health department, with involuntary manslaughter. State Supreme Court ruled Genesee County Circuit Court Judge Elizabeth Kelly should have granted motions for preliminary examinations rather than order the cases directly to trial. And when former State Health Director Nick Lyon asked for his charges to be dropped, the Supreme Court said Judge Kelly should have granted that. Former Governor Rick Snyder is charged with 2 misdemeanors, willful neglect of duty. No charges have been dropped yet.
The judge is going to dismiss Nick Lyon, and all the other defendants are going to jump on that bandwagon as well. I don't think she'll have an option but to dismiss all of them based on the ruling, the stare decisis of the Supreme Court.
It was very disappointing to me as mayor and very upsetting and frustrating.
Former Governor Snyder's legal team issued a scathing statement calling the AG's case political, wasteful, and vindictive, saying, "We applaud today's decision from the Michigan Supreme Court, which leaves no doubt about how Attorney General Dana Nessel's office egregiously mishandled these cases from the beginning." As the Michigan Supreme Court makes clear, these prosecutions of Governor Snyder and the other defendants were never about seeking justice for the citizens of Flint.
This was not adjudicated before a jury of their peers. This was a technicality, and that's how I look at it. Winning on the technicality is not winning at all. Let's move forward and figure out who can still be criminally charged.
We're still living now 2,986 days into the Flint water crisis. We still have destroyed infrastructure in our streets, in our homes, our bodies. Nobody has paid for anything.
Now, that's Melissa Mays, a Flint mother and activist. It's not clear when Judge Kelly up there will hold a hearing on all of this, but Melissa Mays says there will be a big crowd in Flint watching. We're going to have more of this next hour at 6, why former Health Director Nick Lyon is celebrating this tonight. His charges could be dropped, but he may not be totally free and clear. We'll see you next hour at 6. Reporting live, Jim Kurtzner, 7 Action News.
It's been so hard for the families. Jim, thank you for the update.